Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series we are learning functions and in this video we will learn how to evaluating a function. So here given the function 3x square plus x minus 5, evaluate each function value. So here are four questions. Here given function fx equal 3x square plus x minus 5. Okay, now we have to find out f minus 2. F minus 2. So 3 we can replace x with minus 2 plus 5. Okay, always put the substitute value always in parenthesis. Okay, so 3 and this is minus 2 square is 4, this is minus 2 different sign minus 5, 3 times 4 12, minus 2 minus 5 which is minus 7, and 12 minus 7 is 5. So this is A answer. Okay. Now B question. F0. So 3 here x value we can replace with 0, and 0 square is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. This is 0. This is minus 5. So our final answer is minus 5. Okay. Now C question. What is C? F4. Okay. F4, and here given function is 3x square plus x minus 5, x replaced with 4. Okay, so 3x square here 4 square plus x we can write here 4 minus 5. Okay, so what is 4 square? 16 plus 4 minus 5. 16 times 3 48 plus 4 minus 5. 48 plus 4 52. 52 minus 5 47. Now D question. What is D here? F 1 upon 2. F 1 upon 2. So our equation was 3x square, x means 1 upon 2 square, plus x here 1 upon 2 minus 5. Okay, 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4 because 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, plus 1 upon 2 minus 5. This is when we multiply this, so 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5. Okay, so here fraction, we can't add or subtract now because here not same denominator, so we have to make same denominator. Here denominator 1, here 2, and here 4. So least common denominator is 4. Here multiply with, because we have to make same denominator, so here multiply with 2, so 2 times 2 4. Here 4 times 1 4, so like that. Okay, so this is 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 minus 5 times 4 20, 20 upon 4. Okay, now we can add or subtract numerator very easily. So 3 plus 2 minus 20 and this is 5 minus 20 minus 15 upon 4, and this is the answer. Okay, so isn't it very easy questions? Substitution here, evaluate a function value. So f minus 2 value is 5, f0 is minus 5, f4 is 47, and f1 upon 2 is minus 15 upon 4. So if you liked my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.